Hello everyone. So today I will be making rice cake for my children. It is called Massa in Hausa. Yeah, it's called Massa in Hausa, and it's going to be homemade. So these are the ingredients. I have my rice. This is not the usual rice. There is a special rice to use and prepare this delicious delicacy. So this is the rice to use. Then you soak the rice for about 10 to 20 minutes. Then you wash the rice and you blend the rice, or you grind it. So this is it here. It has been blended, and this is what it is. So I'll go ahead to add my ingredient. This is baking powder. So I add a little bit of my baking powder in it. Then you can, for me, I prefer to use honey. Yeah, but if you have sugar, you can use sugar, but I prefer to use honey. I prefer to use honey for my masa. Then I have some chopped vegetables with me. Yes, carrots, green peas, and onions put inside. You need to have the quantity which you want. Then you turn. Then I'll get my masa pot ready. There is a special pot you use for it, and it's like this. Then put on your gas, put it at low heat. Stir it very well. Let the ingredients marinate with the grinded rice. And you pick your oil. Why are you doing this? So that you'll be able to, the masa will be able to fry well. It will come to the pot. It will come out well. So it's going into the pot. It's going into the pot. Make sure you make your gas low heat so that it won't get burnt. Just take it to turn brown. So the masa is ready. You can take it with tea, you can take it with Tom Brown, you can take it with pap, you can take it with sauce. Yeah, there's also a special sauce that is being prepared for it, so you can take it with that sauce, whichever one you want to take it with. So this is our masa rice cake. Thank you so much.